isang tax update na affected ang mga freelancers. Instead of official receipt, freelancers are now required to issue service invoice for the services provided. Meaning, kailangan natin magpagawa ng service invoice. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and distress-free tax compliance. This is based sa Revenue Regulation 7/2024 in line sa ating bagong tax law, Ease of Paying Taxes Act, kung saan nakalagay nga doon na invoice na ang gagamitin ng lahat ng taxpayers, including mga freelancer. Share ko na rin service invoice template na pwede mong gamitin as a reference. Malungkot nga lang itong tax update na ito dahil ang mga freelancer karamihan, marami pang official receipt. Pero dahil dito sa new tax law natin, kailangan natin mag-comply, kailangan nating magpagawa ng service invoice at ito na ang ibibigay natin sa ating mga kliyente. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.